Azor, my question is, how is our Khalifa chosen?
Huh?
My question is, how is our Khalifa chosen?
How is Khalifa chosen? You say, you understand Urdu or English?
English, please.
Okay. Acha. You know, for the election of the Khalifa, there is an electoral college which elects Khalifa, right? That comprises of the national amirs, certain percentage of missionaries, and the executive members of the central body, Rabba, Anjuman and Tariq-e-Jadid. ठीक है? So, and it used to be the first son of the companion of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam. But now, those have also, I don't think there is any more. But so this electoral college that elects Khalifa, right? And some names are proposed there and then. ठीक? The whole proceeding is done in camera, in closed doors. Huh? ठीक है? Or then I normally used to answer journalists that the election is the same as the Pope is elected, Catholic Pope, but without smoke. The election is the same as the Pope is elected, Catholic Pope, but without smoke. Election is the same as the Pope is elected, Catholic Pope, but without smoke.
तो जब एक नबी या रसूल के आने के बाद खिलाफत कायम हो जाती है तो जो भी खलीफा होता है वो मुजद्दिद भी होता है। खिलाफत की मौजूदगी में नबी की भी जरूरत नहीं होती, फिर मुजद्दिद